Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a fingerprint magnet. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you aren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather the supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what you will need. A piece of cardstock, a marker, a clear glass gem, some glue, magnet tape, and some scissors. Step 1. Trace your clear glass gem onto your cardstock and cut it out. Make sure it aligns with the back of your gem well. Step 2. Color whichever finger you want to use with your marker and then press it down onto the cutout piece of cardstock. Step 3. Once the ink is dry, apply glue to the back of the gem and put your fingerprint on it. Step 4. After the glue has fully dried, take the sticker side of your magnet tape off and put it on the back of the gem. Step 5. Make it stick somewhere. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Friday at 4 for a new Tween DIY. We will be making a spring wreath. Please share any pictures of your craft with us on our Facebook and Instagram.